Dear students, in this class I am going to solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1. If you really feel this class is helpful for you, like, subscribe and share the video. Let's start the class. Question number 4 on the screen. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. There are 15 sums in question number 4. That means 15 series are given here. You have to say whether the series are AP series or not. If it is AP series, then you have to find the common difference of that series, and also you have to write down 3 more terms of that series. Question number 1 of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. Here A2 minus A1 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. A3 minus A2, that is third term minus second term, 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Since A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2, because A2 minus A1 equal to 2 and A3 minus A2 equal to 4, so A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the terms are not in AP. So, the given terms are not in AP. Question number 2 of 4. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, etc. Now, A2 minus A1 equal to 5 by 2 minus 2, 5 minus 4 results in half. A3 minus A2 equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. 6 minus 5 results in half. A4 minus A3 means fourth term minus third term. 7 by 2 minus 3, 7 minus 6 equal to half. In that case, we say A n plus 1 minus A n is same for n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, the given terms are in AP. Since the given terms are in AP, so we have to find out the common difference and 3 more terms. We observe that in all the cases A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, in all the cases difference is half. So evidently common difference is equal to half, and next three terms are 7/2 plus common difference equal to 4 plus half, 9/2, 9/2 plus half, so the next three terms are 4, 9/2 and 5. Question number 3 of 4. The numbers given here minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, etc. Now A2 minus A1 equal to second term minus first term, minus 3.2 plus 1.2 minus 2, third term minus second term minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2 minus 5.2 plus 3.2 results in minus 2. Now A4 minus A3 equal to minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2 plus 5.2 equals to minus 2. So we can say A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3 equal to dot equal to AN plus 1 minus AN equal to minus 2 for n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Clearly, the given numbers are in AP, and common difference obviously minus 2. As the numbers are in AP series, so we need to find out next three terms. The next three terms are minus 7.2 plus minus 2, minus 7.2 minus 2 equal to minus 9.2. Next minus 9.2 plus of minus 2, minus 9.2 minus 2 minus 11.2. Next number minus 11.2 plus of common difference, that is minus 2, results in minus 11.2 minus 2 equal to minus 13.2. These are the next three terms of that AP series. Question number 4 of 4. The given numbers are -10, -6, -2, 2, etc. Now A2 minus A1 equal to -6, that is second term, minus of first term. -6 plus 10 results in 4. A3 minus A2 means third term minus second term, -2 minus of -6, -2 plus 6 results in 4. Now A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 means fourth term means 2 minus of third term means -2 results in 2 minus into minus plus 2 -2 plus 2 results in 4. So in all the cases, that is A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3 equal to ... an plus 1 minus an equal to 4, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Clearly, the given numbers are in AP series. Obviously, common difference equal to 4, because in all the cases we got 4. We need to find out 3 more terms. 3 more terms of the series are, fourth term is 2, so 2 plus common difference, 2 plus 4 results in 6. This is the fifth term. Next term 6 plus 4 means 10. Next term 10 plus 4 equal to 14. So 6, 10 and 14 are the 3 more terms after 2. Question number 5 of 4. The terms given here, 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, etc. Now A2 minus A1 equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 results in 3 cancel root 2. A3 minus A2 equal to third term minus second term, that is 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 cancel results in root 2. A4 minus A3 means fourth term minus third term, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 results in 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 results in root 2. That is a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to a4 minus a3, an plus 1 minus an equal to root 2 for n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, the given numbers are in AP. Obviously, common difference equal to root 2. Next three terms are this is the fourth term plus common difference 3 plus 4 root 2. This is the fifth term 3 plus 4 root 2 plus common difference, that is root 2 equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. This is the sixth term. Now 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2 are the next three terms of this AP. Question number 6 of 4. The numbers given here 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, etc. Now a2 minus a1 equal to 0.22, that is second term, minus 0.2 results in 0.02, and a3 minus a2 equal to 0.222 minus 0.22 equal to 0.002. Obviously, we can say a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2. Therefore, the given numbers do not form an AP. Question number 7 of 4. The numbers given here 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, etc. Now a2 minus a1, that is second term minus first term, means minus 4 minus 0 results in minus 4. a3 minus a2 means minus 8 minus of minus 4 minus 8 plus 4 results in minus 4. Now a4 minus a3 means fourth term, that is minus 12 minus of minus 8, that is third term, minus 12 plus 8 results in minus 4. Therefore, a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to a4 minus a3 equal to dot 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 an plus 1 minus an. Difference between n plus 1th term and nth term, all the cases they are minus 4, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc., that is natural number. So the given number are in AP, and obviously common difference minus 4. Since the numbers are in AP, we have to find out 3 more terms. The 3 more terms are minus 12, that is 4th term, plus common difference, that is minus 4 minus 12 minus 4 results in minus 16. Next, minus 16 plus of minus 4 results in minus 16 minus 4 minus 20. Minus 20 plus of minus 4 implies minus 20 minus 4 equals to minus 24. So the next 3 terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Question number 8 of 4. The terms given here minus half, comma minus half, comma minus half, comma minus half. Now a2 minus a1 second term minus first term cancel 0. Here all the terms are equal, so you will get in all the cases 0. a3 minus a2 minus half minus of minus half minus half plus half cancel equals to 0. a4 minus a3 equal to minus half minus of minus half minus half 0. Therefore a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to a4 minus a3 equal to an plus 1 minus an equal to 0. Hence the given numbers are in AP, and common difference that is D equal to 0. Next 3 terms are of these series are minus half plus 0 equals to minus half. Next again minus half plus 0 equal to minus half. Again minus half plus 0 equals to minus half. In this series all the terms are equal, so next 3 terms also must be equal. the next three terms are minus half, and minus half. Question number 9 of 4. The numbers given here 1, 3, 9, 27, etc. So a2 minus a1 equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. a3 minus a2 equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. a4 minus a3 equal to 27 minus 9 equal to 18. Clearly, a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2. Therefore, the numbers are not in AP. Question number 10 of 4. The provided numbers are a, 2a, 3a, 4a. Now a2 minus a1 equal to 2a minus a. 2a minus a results in a. a3 minus a2 equal to 3a minus 2a equal to a. 3a minus 2a results in a. a4 minus a3 means fourth term. 4a minus third term 3a equal to a. So in all the cases we got the difference is a. So a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to a4 minus a3, that is a n plus 1 minus a n for n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. equal to a. So all the differences, that is a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3, an plus 1 means n plus 1th term minus nth term difference equal to a. Therefore, the given numbers are in AP, and obviously common difference D equal to obviously A. The next three terms of this series, last term, that is fourth term, was 4a plus common difference a, that is 5a. Next term 5a plus a means 6a. Then 6a plus common difference a means 7a. So next three terms of this series are 5a, 6a and 7a. Question number 11 of 4. The terms given here a square, a cube, a to the power 4, etc. Now a2 minus a1, that is second term, minus first term is a square minus a. We just can take common a from these two numbers. So it will be like this: a3 minus a2, that is third term minus second term. We can take common a square from them. Taking common a square from them, we get a minus 1. Now a4 minus a3, that is fourth term minus second term, means a to the power 4 minus a cube. Taking common a cube, we get a minus 1. Clearly, a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2, because there is a and there is a square. This term and this term are not equal. So a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2. Therefore, the numbers are not in AP. Question number 12 of 4. The numbers given here: root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, etc. Now a2 minus a1 equal to root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 minus root 2. From this pair we can take out only single 2 outside the root sign. So 2 root 2 minus root 2. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2 means only root 2. Now a3 minus a2, third term minus second term. 18 means 3 into 3 into 2, and 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. So this is equal to 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, which is equals to root 2. Now a4 minus a3, root 32 minus root 18, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 2's are there, and here 3 into 3 into 2. We can take out the root symbol 2 2's. So we get outside root symbol 4 and within root symbol 2. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 results in root 2. So in that case, a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to a4 minus a3 equal to dot 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 equal to an plus 1 minus an equal to root 2. That is, the differences are equal. For n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, the terms are in AP, and common difference d equal to root 2. Next three terms are root 32, that is the fourth term, plus common difference equals to root 32 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you factorize 32, you will get 5 2's. Now this pair and this pair we can take out 2 into 2, and a single 2 will be within the root symbol. 2 plus root 2, that is 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals to 5 root 2. We can take the 5 within the root symbol. If we take this 5 within the root sign, then we have to take 2 5's. 5 into 5 into 2, that is 50. Now root 50 plus root 2 results in 5 root 2 plus root 2 equal to 6 root 2 equal to 6 into 6 into 2. If we take 6 within the root symbol, then it will be 6 into 6, so 72. Now next term, root 72 plus root 2. Root 72 means 6 root 2 plus root 2 means 7 root 2. Root 7 into 7 into 2, 49, 98. So the next three terms are root 50, root 72 and root 98. Question number 13 of 4. The given numbers are root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, etc. Now a2 minus a1 equal to root 6 minus root 3. We just can take common root 3. If we take common root 3, it will be root 2 minus 1 within the bracket. Root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Now a3 minus a2 equal to root 9 minus root 6. If we take common root 3, the number within the bracket will be root 3 minus root 2. Clearly this term and this term are not equal. Since this term and this term are not equal, we need not calculate a4 minus a3. So a2 minus a1 not equal to a2 minus a3. Therefore the numbers are not in AP. Question number 14 of 4. The numbers given here 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, etc. Now a2 minus a1 equal to 3 square minus 1 square means 9 minus 1 equal to 8. a3 minus a2 equal to 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9 results in 16. So evidently A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2, because this is 8 and this is 16. Therefore, the numbers do not form an AP. This is the last sum of this exercise. That is question number 15 of 4. The numbers given here: 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73, etc. Now A2 minus A1 equal to 5 square minus 1 square, 25 minus 1 results in 24. A3 minus A2, that is third term minus second term, 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25 equal to 24. A4 minus A3 equal to 73 minus 7 square, 73 minus 49 results in 24. Since A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 equal to an plus 1 minus an equal to 24. That is, in all the cases differences are equal. Therefore, the numbers form an AP, and obviously common difference D equal to 24. Next three numbers are the fourth number is 73 plus 24. Next three numbers are 73 plus 24, that is 97. 97 plus 24, 112, 121. And next number 121 plus 24 results in 145, 145. So the next three numbers of this series are 97, 121 and 145. That's all about the question number 4. No more today. I wish you all the best.